Hi, my name is Zoe Reyna, and this is my presentation over Gestalt laws. The first law that I'm going to be going over is proximity. Proximity in design is related objects being placed together and creating an illusion that they're grouped and paired with one another, as well as being connected with one another. They also create the illusion that objects that aren't grouped with them in the proximity are unrelated and they aren't connected with them. So examples would be the Adidas logo, how the three lines are grouped together to create the logo. Whereas if you take out the individual lines and put them in just random orders in the space, it creates an illusion that they are singular and have no relation to each other. Another example is this circle pyramid right here. It creates an illusion of being organized as well as them being paired and grouped with each other, whereas to the side, it's just completely unrelated, just scattered, no correlation to them at all. The next one, similarity, can happen when objects of the same color, size, shape, and textures are used in a design. When being viewed, it can create patterns and also be grouped together by the eye. So examples would be this Gestalt design, where each of the letters have their own individual shape, color, but it creates the letters itself. See how this T isn't actually a type, it's circles in different colors, in two different colors, but it creates the illusion that it's saying Gestalt. Another example is the logo right here. They might not be the same color, but they're the same shape and the same size. So being paired together, it creates this array of colors that are the same size. And this pattern right here, they're different squares, shapes, but created in different designs. So it gives the illusion that it's a pattern, it's a type of pattern design in each of them. And the next law is continuity. So continuity is the flow that makes up the design. The goal in continuity is to lead the viewer's eye through the design in a desired direction, fluently and naturally. So my example for that would be the Coca-Cola symbol, because without thinking, since the way it's typed, the way it's written, creates a flow with the way the C is spelled, as well as over here, and just it being going through the L. So it just creates a flow and makes your eyes read fluently. The next law, closure, is how the design creates closure in the empty or negative space of the design. It uses white space to fill the spaces between parts of the design, creating the illusion of there being more within the spaces. So my examples are these two shapes, but since they're cut out in the middle of them, it creates an illusion that there's a triangle within those circles. And this panda, though it's not drawn in right there, your eyes and mind just close it off to create the image of the panda. Also, this NBA logo, I don't believe it's I believe there's space between the blue and the red, so that creates the image of the basketball player. And this Peter and the Wolf illustration that shows the wolf chasing a little animal or object, and it shows what appears to be a boy in it. And the last slide I have includes my works cited. This concludes my presentation. I hope you all enjoyed it, and yeah, just enjoyed watching my presentation.